Welcome back to Good Morning Washington, 946. And when you think of the healthiest diet in the world, you might not expect it to be a favorite with the little ones. But think again.
Yeah, here to dish flavorful Mediterranean meals that those kids are sure to love is one of our favorites, award-winning chef and cookbook author, Amy Riolo. Welcome back to Good Morning Washington.
Thank you for having me.
So when it comes to kid-friendly, even
I'm intrigued by this.
right, yeah. So does it have to be? Well, it's got to be tasty first, but then do you want it to be in those kid-sized portions?
I think kid size is fun. Kids love things that they can take and pick up in their hands and eat. They also love things they can dip. You know, they love bright colors. They're enticed by their eyes. And the recipe that we're going to be doing today is actually the one that kids taught me.
Oh,
so
kidding.
that's what I'm doing.
Oh, that's great. It's
Adults
beautiful.
like it too.
Okay. So what exactly is this? Is it like a cold salad?
This is called an ABC salad. So I adopted a school once. I was their chef. And the kid, I went in, I was going to cook with them that day. The kids harvest their own produce and stuff.
Really?
And they said, Miss Chef Amy, we want to do an ABC salad. And I know a lot of things. I didn't know the ABC salad. So they said, a little bit of French and beets and carrots.
I like that.
So now it's in my book.
And you put your own spin on it, I'm sure.
Exactly.
Okay, so where do we
That's
start?
it.
Just chopping and dicing? And
Yeah, you can buy them already like this, or you can put everything into your food processor and just dice them on your own. But this is our apple, and then I'm going to add into this as well. These are raw beets. You know, the cook.
Oh, okay.
And you think that kids like raw beets, you know. Beets are great. They help our performance in terms of athletics. They're good for lowering blood pressure. They have a lot of phytonutrients in them. And then carrots, which is always good for kids to eat. You can give them a little bit of walnuts for like the good omega-3s in there, the crunch, nice bit of protein, and then some fresh orange juice. Normally when blood oranges are in season, I like to use a blood orange.
Okay.
But regular orange is fine too.
So that's going to give it right, a little sweetness, a little acid.
And this seems like something a kid can help you build or create too.
Exactly.
Kind of hands-on and get a treat out of the kid in the kitchen. That's great.
And they love it. They like to put together. They like to grow the vegetables. They like to cut them and the colors, and make them in fun shapes. The kids really like it.
Now, I always love, Amy, the olive oils that you bring. Is olive oil something? Could you put a little bit of olive oil?
We definitely need the olive oil. So I'm going to have you all do it if you don't
Okay.
mind. Just do it for. So this is my oil, which I'm private labeling. It's going to be available in October. And yes. So the olive oil, whenever we add this to the recipe, it helps to amp up the nutrient quotient in the vegetables. So like the vegetables are already helpful in themselves, right? And antioxidants. So is the olive oil. And then when you put them together, you get another benefit. It's like a 3-in-1. It's even more helpful than if you just had it by themselves.
And I saw you sprinkle, what is this? Just a little bit of salt?
This is some sea salt. This is actually a Florida salt just because it was easy to bring here today, but you don't have to use Florida salt. You can use any sea salt, salt.
You brought a few other things with you.
Okay, so mango
dessert.
miso. This is tiramisu made with mango and vanilla yogurt, so that easy, kid friendly. It could be breakfast or dessert. It's low fat. It's only got 130 calories per serving.
Wow.
Only 30 of those are from
That
fat.
is awesome.
There's a little bit of cardamom.
So it's just
in there.
layered.
Layered with some biscuits and a little bit of French vanilla yogurt, mango, strawberries, a little bit of cardamom, a little bit of vanilla, and you can use a little of agave nectar for sweetener because that won't spike the blood sugar. Or a little bit of raw honey if you like.
You said this could be dessert, breakfast,
Yeah.
and or. Yeah.
Exactly. And you're not gonna have to sell it very hard to kids.
No.
They're gonna take it.
I could see this with a grain stew mixed in if you
There you
wanted to,
go.
for a little bit of texture. Exactly.
Now these are our mini vegetable frittata. So these are all in my newest book, Mediterranean Diabetes Cookbook. And these are just the regular frittata you would pick a pan, but I do it in a muffin pan so kids can just pick it up and eat it, like a muffin. Great breakfast on the go. You can make them and freeze them. They've got mushrooms, it's got zucchini, and it has a lot of fresh basil and herbs, eggs. So really all good power stuff.
That is delicious.
Kids love dips, so this is our Greek yogurt and tahini dip.
Okay.
So you can go ahead and just take a pita or a pute, dip it right in there. They also like the color. And the
Yeah, it's
make
really
it
cool
nice
color.
And nice and bright. And a lot of adults like that too.
So for a dish this size, how many beets would you put in there?
Oh, so this is only about a cup.
Oh,
So this is about this much of cooked beans, pre-cooked. If they're raw, then you would use like one big one or two smaller ones, and about a third a cup of zucchini, which is made from sesame, so it's got nice and protein, good for vegetarians, Greek yogurt.
Before we let you go, we want to talk about the two big things you're working on right now, or have worked on, and you're about to launch:
Exactly.
the book and the oil.
Yes.
Diabetes case.
Yes. So this is my second version of my third book, which is the Mediterranean Diabetes Cookbook. It's the best one for the and it's got 200 recipes in there, spanning the whole Mediterranean. So we're from France and Spain to Morocco and Egypt and Turkey. I'm very proud of it. It's a personal journey as well as lots of great healthy recipes like this. And then the olive oil. first of all, introducing two varieties, which are the it's a place where I take culinary tours.
Such a great light way of eating that's always going to make you feel good.
And your kids too, which is
Definitely.
awesome.
And have fun.
Thank you so much, Chef. Maybe you'll stick around for the end of the show.